If you want to make a feed in Bluesky Social app, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, what you need to do in order for this to work out, you need to use the website Skyfeed. And the Skyfeed is a website that allows you to basically generate your own feed on Bluesky. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just see right here the home page, right? And you're gonna see the left-hand menu, right? And you're gonna see the multiple option, and you're gonna see the free builder or Sky feed builder right here, okay, which is the wrenches or screwdriver, and you're gonna be able to click on it and just add the feed name, okay. And as you can see, I already added it, and here it says the input entire network tags, list, feeds, or single posts or labels. In my case, I'm gonna choose feed, right? If you want to select Bluesky team, popular with friends, and all that, you can just select it from here. Okay, it says personalized feeds in the official Bluesky app once are not supported as an input yet. Okay, so basically just keep it for the entire network, right? And then you're gonna type right here in the regex right here, you're gonna type an example dog, and I'm gonna just go ahead and click feed builder, right? And after I just click the feed builder, I'm gonna just click the feed preview, and as you can see right here, I'm gonna see many labeled posts on Bluesky that talks about dogs. So basically you could do that the same as just going to your Sky or feed builder, right, which is the one that I selected just right now in the left hand menu, and then just enter the feed name and make sure that you keep it in the entire network. And you're gonna see right here the timeline if you want it to be the last 12 hours, 30 minutes, and if you want to remove if item, labels, image count, like count, whatever it might be, if you want to remove if you want to filter that out, you can just do that. And then basically just type right here, let's have an example, philosophy, right? I'm gonna click the feed builder, the green button, and as you can see, I'm gonna just go ahead and move along to the feed preview so I can see. And as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see every post that highlighted with the word philosophy. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.